Okay, estimate delta y using differentials. And let's take a look at it. And, I'm going to look at it over here. This is just delta x over here. Let me write that down for you. So the delta y, if I looked at it, would be, let's take a look at that, equal. It's going to be, it's going to be cosine of pi over 60 plus this 0.02 minus the cosine of pi over 60. All right, so let's take a look at it and see if we can do it. I'll put this down for you. So I'm going to say the y is a function of x, and that's going to be cosine of 10x. Oh, by the way, I did make a mistake already, and I just noticed it. I'm going to have to correct it. I didn't see it was cosine of 10x. Let me write this back again. This is incorrect. Let me put this over here. The delta y is going to be cosine of 10 times, and this is going to be pi over 60 plus 0.02. Right, I'm multiplying that by 10. What do you get there? Pi over 6 plus, and 10 times that thing is just going to be 0.2 minus the cosine of 10 times pi over 60, which is pi over 6. All right, I just revised it. So what do you get now? Let's take a look. And I got to write it down, don't I? So y prime is that. So y of x equal that. Y prime is going to be equal to minus sine of 10x times 10. All right? So I'm going to evaluate y prime at pi over 6. And what's it going to be? Minus 10 times sine. Well, 10 times, let's say, pi over 60. I did that again. I'm sorry. It's over. No, it's pi over 6. I'm sorry. I'm getting dizzy looking at that. Let me go backwards. So it's 10 times pi over 60, all right? 10 times that. So that's going to be pi over 6. I'm always looking for things that are working out nicely, by the way. That's why I paused for a second over there. So I got to do this pi over 6 business, and I want to point out pi over 6 is 30 degrees. So I'm going to look at a 30-degree reference triangle for you, something like this over here. That's going to be 1, that's going to be 2, that's going to be root 3. So let's write this down. You get minus 10, and sine of that is just going to be 1/2. What do you get over there? Minus 5. So I'm ready to write down this approximation for delta y. And what's it going to be? Well, it's this minus 5 business. That's y prime evaluated at pi over 6 times, I did it again, it's pi over 60. All right, I'm sorry, I'm just revising what I'm saying over here. I got pi over 6 in my mind, but it's really evaluated at pi over 60. Minus 5 times the delta x. And what's the delta x going to be? Did I write that down somewhere? Oh yeah, I did. It's right up here. It's 0.02. And what does that give you? That gives you minus 0.1. By the way, you could also write this as minus 5 times 2 over 100, which is minus 10 over 100, which is minus 1/10. Depends how you want to do that, but this would be the answer. Let's just check the key real quick and see if I got that. Yeah, things are looking fine. Thank you.